Want to log in into your TikTok Pro event account? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application TikTok Pro. Make sure that you have installed the app from the App Store. Now wait for a while for it to load. If you are already logged in into your TikTok, this interface will pop up. Well, if you want to log in into this account, then you can simply click on continue, otherwise click on sign in with another device. Let me click on continue for now. It will scan your Face ID and help you log in. Well, this feature is not yet available in my country or the region, so I'm not being able to log in. For you, if it's available, then you will be logged in. Or the next step you can try doing is head over to profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, you will be able to see that you can log in into your account with your Facebook, Apple ID, and the Google account. Choose a specific one, enter the login credentials, and then you will be logged in. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.